Well, hello again, friends and followers. Here's another BC-654a reception test on this receiver. I don't have the transmitter working yet, and you can hear the vibrator power supply humming. I finally figured out how to supply this thing with 12 volts up through the connector, power connector. And to do that, well, I can show the pins later, but basically I marked the pin there as plus and that pin there as minus. That seems to work. The only caveat is you have to put these things on either low or high and turn the switch on here, and you have to jam the switch closed here with a screwdriver. Just jam it shut, the switch so it's contacted. Make sure that's plugged in, the PD104, and it starts humming and you're off to the races. So whoa, and see what happens when that thing pops out, the thing stops. So that's a real bummer. I gotta put the phone down for a minute and fix that. There we go. So as we can see, that's a delicate situation. Alright, I'm probably gonna put a tie wrap in there or something, because this radio is not ready for the big time. Anyway, so I can pick up a lot of stuff now that I fixed the receiver and got a lot of hum out of the B+, and replaced a lot of capacitors in the previous videos in the power supply. After fixing this IF can on the receiver a few videos ago and tuning up the receiver a bit, it really is working decently finally. So I have it jacked into my amateur radio antenna still. Just the case on the white wire there to the shield of the coax, and the green is going to the antenna connector on the receiver right there. So pretty simple. Anyway, so I have the headphones here set up, and you can probably hear what I could hear. So let's try and turn around here and see what we can hear. I am picking up some ham radio people on sideband, but the sideband decoding in this thing is not working yet. So volume, there's some volume right there, and you'll hear some sideband, I think. And I'm in CW mode, so it should decode those guys, but I have to change a coupling capacitor. So if I go down here to AM mode or voice mode, it won't sound much different. So this isn't made to receive sideband. I guess it will if you change the capacitor, so I'll do that. Anyway, ham band, 80 meters. This thing is like real strong now. I'm not sure what it is, but it's strong, real strong. And there's that, I think, ocean sonar or something that you can hear at 80 meters. That comes in well now. I think this is religion, I'm not sure. Anyway, Anyway, that's about it. It's a probably a viable receiver now that has some hope. So, oh, this has been a lot of work, like a month of work on and off just to make it do this. So, it's been a lot of work. I don't know if I'm ready to tackle the transmitter or not at this time. Let it go for a while. Maybe a Christmas project or something. I have to get a Heathkit power supply I bought to run the transmitter with 500 volts. And I guess it takes 6 volts DC, 6.3 volts DC. So I got to make that work. So that's kind of strange then. So do I feed this thing with 12 volts from that same power supply? I guess I should do that. I almost want to just get rid of this vibrator thing and just make a box that looks like it has a tube socket and supplies the voltages it wants from a different power supply that doesn't vibrate, something that can work off the wall socket. So who knows if I ever get that done. It's a lot of work. Not much time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and that's the progress on this receiver. Again, this is the radio transmitter receiver, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it now. At least I didn't break it. I didn't burn the filaments out. Didn't blow it up. I've been doing a lot of hacking on this thing, as you people know. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.